kitchen. Elena and Elsa here. Mom,
What?
what are you doing?
Sto prendendo il sole.
It's raining outside. Where do you see the sun?
Qua c'è una luce. Non vedi?
Yeah, only because we bought the new lights. Then what?
Did you like?
Yeah?
It's not the sun?
No.
Oh.
What have you put on?
Ho messo la tanning cream.
Tanning cream? This is a 50 plus. It's a sunscreen. It's not tanning cream.
Oh. Sarà una bronzatura uniforme e tranquilla.
Ma che uniforme? You're gonna have all the stripes everywhere.
Oh.
Did you see how you put it on?
No, non avevo lo specchio.
Fix it up. Can you present yourself like this to people?
Better?
No.
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 Non sono bronzata? No. Che poi?
What are we
Poi?
cooking today? What are you
Penne.
cooking? Pasta again?
Pasta. We love pasta. We are Italian. Italian cooking pasta.
So what? What are you gonna cook pasta with? Which pasta you said?
Penne.
Penne.
I 4 cheeses. Penne.
Penne, hai 4 formaggi. So we are ready with the ingredients. We start with the sauce. So it's with 500 milliliters of milk, 150 grams of
Mozzarella cheese.
diced, 150 grams of EDAM cheese.
EDAM.
Also this is diced. 100 grams of Gorgonzola dolce.
50.
And 50 grams of grated parmesan cheese, 300 milliliters of cooking cream, 1 teaspoon of grated nutmeg, and then our hero. What is it?
500.
500 grams of
Penne. Rigate.
500 grams of penne rigate. What?
Rigate.
Yeah. Why
Keep going.
are we using penne rigate and not penne lisce?
Because penne rigate will be keep the sauce.
We'll keep the sauce.
Yes.
Keep the sauce. Okay. I hope you understood. You'll see later. Okay. Are we ready to start? We done? Oh, salt and pepper. You forgot.
Salt and pepper.
Buonanotte. Okay. That's it.
That's it.
Okay. We start cooking now. So we're gonna start adding the milk in a pot and we let it go until it boils. We bring it to, right? Also in the meantime we can start preparing the water for the pasta.
Yes.
Okay, so the milk started boiling, so we're gonna start adding the cheeses, but we're gonna start with the hardest cheese first because it takes longer to cook, right? So we're gonna start with the EDAM first and I just put it in.
Yes.
Okay.
Put it in.
And hopefully we'll start melting soon. So Ma, what are we doing now? The EDAM is melting.
Yes.
Does it need to be fully melt to add the gorgonzola or can it be just
it's
a little?
enough. It's enough.
What?
Just a little
That
bit.
is enough?
Yes.
So you want me to add the gorgonzola?
Yes.
Okay, add it in.
Put in.
The gorgonzola melt,
Yes.
the EDAM melt,
Also.
more or less.
Yes.
So is it time to add
Mozzarella.
mozzarella cheese?
Yes.
When are you gonna add the parmesan? At the end.
At the end.
So we're adding mozzarella now?
Yes.
Okay, add mozzarella in.
Good.
So mozzarella melting. Is melting.
Yes, we can put cream.
We put the cream.
Yes.
What about the pasta? Can we start putting the pasta in?
Yes,
All over.
all over.
All over. 300.
300.
So now you add the cream. So should it become thicker, the sauce? With the cream, or you need the parmesan to become thicker?
No, the parmesan.
The
You
parmesan
need
helps.
Put the parmesan.
Is it time already?
Yes.
Put it on.
Yes.
All over.
Yes.
Should I keep some for later?
No.
No. Okay. Good night. So the water is boiling.
Yes. You have to put inside the penne.
Yeah, I've add the salt first. The penne, I can just put them in the water.
But you have to put nutmeg.
When?
Noce moscata.
Now.
Yes.
Okay. Add it in?
A little piece. Good.
Okay.
I have to taste.
Taste. Okay.
So,
Is it ready?
Yes. I think che possiamo scolare la pasta.
Okay. Okay, so we add the sauce to the pasta.
Yes.
Combine. And now we plate it. Come on. Cheese. Basta. And so we're done.
Done.
Pasta.
Hai
4.
formaggi.
Are you gonna taste it?
Yes. If you want.
If I had any choice.
This one with the parmesan.
Com'è?
Delicious.
Buon appetito!